So guys, once you're on this screen, you want to hold the shift key on your keyboard and you want to click on the power button and then click on restart. Make sure that you're holding on shift. Click on restart and keep holding shift. Just keep holding shift as the computer is restarting, don't let go. And now once we're here, you want to click on troubleshoot, advanced options, and then command prompt. And now once this comes up, you want to type in notepad and then click on enter. And now once we're here, you want to click on file and then click on open. And now once this comes up on the left hand side, you want to click on this PC. You want to find your Windows drive. It's most likely going to be your C drive. Double click on it and then click on Windows. You want to find a folder called System32. Scroll down till you find System32. Double click on it. I'll make this bigger so you can see. And now once we're here, where it says files of type, you want to click on the drop down and then select all files. And now once we're here, you want to find a file called utilman. So we're going to scroll down till we find a file called utilman. Here it is. You want to find utilman. You want to right click on it and then click on rename. Just add the number 2 on the end. So now it's going to be called utilman2 and then click on enter. Once you renamed it, you want to right click on the white space and then click on refresh. It should now be saying utilman2. Next, you want to find a file called cmd. So scroll up till we find cmd. Here it is. You want to find cmd. You want to right click on it and then click on rename. You want to call this utilman and then click on enter. Right click on the white space and then click on refresh. We can now close out of this. Click on OK. Close this, close this. Now you want to turn off your computer and then turn it back on again. And now once we're here in the bottom right, you want to click on this icon right here, accessibility, which will then pull up the command prompt. And now once we're here, you want to type in control space user passwords 2 and then click on enter. And now this will come up. You want to find your username, double click on it. You want to select your user account and then select reset password. It will then let you change your password. Then you want to click on OK and you should now be able to sign into your account again.